Hello everybody, this is Katerina and welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from MAC. It's named Nude Modern, I believe. Nude Model. We're gonna use only 3 colors, 1, 2, 3. This is gonna be very easy, very quick, and if you like my eye look, stay in this channel. Please comments below and let's start. I just love this eyeshadow palette from MAC. I already have eyeshadow primer on my eyelid, and I'm gonna set my primer with loose powder. I use a big blush brush, and I'm just again setting my eyeshadow primer, which one I use, Urban Decay. And let's start use our beautiful palette. First color, it's gonna be lightest color named Shroom. I'm gonna use this big brush, and I'm gonna apply close to my eyebrows. This eyeshadow application will be very soft, very natural. Okay, color Shroom. Now I'm gonna use this big fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna use this eyeshadow, and it's named Dance in the Dark, I believe. Yeah, Dance in the Dark. And we're applying from this and up, from corner on my eye. And I always say, like, we're making like a big letter C. This is your transition color. And just build. You can put couple more times to build to little bit more color. Again, this is eyeshadow really matte. It's layering my eyelid very pretty and soft. Okay, let's do another eye. And again, I started from this area and go to corner of my eye. Very soft, like a soft taupey peachy color. I always like to start with softer color, and then I will go with darker color. Why? Because sometimes when you start with darker color right away, it's very hard to blend. Now I'm gonna use small brush like this, and I will use a darker color, and I'm gonna use this color. It's right here, and it's also matte color. And I'm gonna start kind of close to my eyelashes, and I will go up. And again, I'm making now like a small letter C. It's okay if it's not perfect, because we will blend in. We will use a big blending brush and we will blend. Yeah, I'm using big blending brush, and now I'm gonna just blend in 2 colors, which one I have already on my eyelid. I do not like to use like too many colors. I think when you use in like 3-4 colors, it's enough. I knew some people like can use whole entire this eye palette. I think I can use, but it's gonna take me like 2 hours, and life is short. I don't have 2 hours to do my eyes. Yay. Again, let's do another eye. I'm gonna use again this color, and this is again matte eyeshadow palette, and it's named Modern Nude. Close to my eyelashes. And when we do this like up with brush, it's make my eyelid like more open and lift. Again, I'm using big brush. It's no products here, and I'm gonna just use 2 colors and blend together. Now I'm gonna use this small tiny blending brush, and I do have a little bit left over eyeshadow here, and I'm gonna use under my eyelash line, very softly applying. I want my eye look much more bigger, and when I apply it, I go like up. And eyeshadow should be very soft under your eye, not too much. Okay, now again I'm gonna use this small little brush. We're gonna come back, we're gonna use again to this color, and I'm gonna close like my eye like it's halfway, and I'm gonna apply just like this a little bit more, and now I'm gonna blend. Kind of I measure my crease with brush. These colors, which one I using right now, it's very safe. I think if you have a blue eyes, if you have green eyes, if you have a brown, for any eye color, this will be very pretty eye look. Okay, big brush I just grabbed, and I am blending all colors together. Also remember, in my video I don't do any cuts, I don't have a team working with me, I shooting this video by myself. It's really hard, and put together video is the most hardest. Okay, yay, how pretty. Now let's go a little bit under my eyes. Perfect. Now I'm gonna use this eyeshadow right here, and it's named Tete et Tint. Okay, I have just flat brush, and I'm gonna use Lancome 24-hour wearing setting mist. Also it's have hyaluronic. I'm gonna spray my brush just like this, and I'm gonna go on a corner of this eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow will go a little bit more intense. This is, if everywhere we have matte, here where I put my shimmer. Yeah, look how pretty. I really like Lancome setting mist because it's no fragrance, and you can apply, not just use for a brush, you can apply on entire your face to set your makeup, to make your makeup stay much longer. It's like setting spray will make your makeup stay 24 hours. Okay, one more time I'm gonna use this big brush to little bit blend. Yeah. Now I'm gonna grab again smaller little bit brush, and I'm gonna use this lighter color shroom close to my eyebrows, and I just kind of press to my eyebrows, close to my eyebrows, to give me this like eye lift a little bit. And I'm gonna use again this lighter color shroom on corner of my eye. And to finish this look, I'm gonna use mascara and liquid eyeliner from Clinique. I will be right back with my finished look. I finished my eye look using mascara and primer from Lancome. My lashes look beautiful. I hope you like this eye look. We use only 3 eyeshadow from this beautiful MAC eyeshadow palette. I think if you not yet have any eyeshadow palette from MAC, this is its way to go. It's very safe palette. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.